I'm going to show you how I made this birthday gift bag using my Brother design and craft printer and a few other bits of craft material. Select New Design on the home page and then the Arts section. I'm selecting the frame for my greeting from the Well Wishes category. Using 2 of my fingers, I adjust the size of my design. Then when happy, I shorten the tape size to avoid waste. To insert my greeting into the frame, I press Type and use the keypad to type my message. Rotate my text by 90 degrees, change the font and then resize the greeting. When I like the way it's looking, I print. Slide your finger across the glide and cut bar once printing is complete to cut the label. Peel the label from the backing and stick it to the slightly larger piece of card to frame it. Choose New Design again, then Art, then Detailed Flowers. I now select a number of flowers that suit my colour scheme. When I've chosen all the flowers I need, I press Approve. This time I'm going to leave the backing on the flowers and cut them out. I'm going to lay the pieces out on the front of my gift bag, keeping it flat while I decorate. Begin to lift and glue down the individual components using 3D foam tape for the sentiment label and 3D gel glue to give the flowers some height. I need to change the roll now. Remove the 50mm roll and install the 19mm. Just like before, I choose New Design and then alter the roll size. Select 19mm. Press Type and then input your greeting. Once you're happy with the font, move the greeting to the right-hand side of your design, resizing if you want to. Choose Backgrounds, then Geometrics. The colour bar will now appear, offering a variety of colours and shades. When you're happy with the colour and the way your design looks, press Approve. Remove the backing paper and wrap the 19mm tape piece around the handle and trim the ends. To finish off, I'll add some glitter glue to the centres of the flowers to draw the eye in. And there we have it. The Brother Design and Craft printer is fantastic for this type of work because I can personalise my design for any specific occasion. Because of the vast array of images I have access to in the Brother Colour Label Editor app, I can tailor-make designs for gift bags or even boxes for all my family and friends. And I love how all my designs are saved so that I can reuse or alter to use again.